ability to talk with anyone is an excellent skill to make new friends, new career, or business opportunity, learning and earning in the journey of life. Human beings are social creatures by nature, but ability to talk with anyone is not natural. It is not difficult to develop this skill. Friends, I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, educational leader and educational speaker. Today I will discuss how to talk with anyone. Watch till the end for the maximum benefit. Like, share with your friends, comment and subscribe my channel to get latest educational updates. Friends, you can talk with anyone if you develop three basic skills. First, starting conversation. Second, maintaining conversation. Third, avoiding common mistakes. Starting conversation. Relax before starting conversation. If you are nervous to talk with anyone, always remember your conversation will not be successful. If you are in a social situation, first relax your body, your mind, and soul. Find a quiet place. Take few deep breaths before engaging yourself in social situation. Survey body language. Inspect body languages of people or person with whom you want to start your conversation. Always remember, you will not be able to talk with anyone till others are not ready to talk with you. Look for open body language like a person standing tall with their arms at their side. Someone may also catch your eyes briefly, which may indicate that it is safe to approach that person for conversation. Open your conversation with question. After saying hello and introducing yourself, asking open question is the best way to start a conversation. Use your surrounding to start a conversation. If you are stumbling to ask a question or a topic, look around the room to find a conversation starter. It may be wallpaper, sitting arrangement, decoration, or crowd. Second, maintaining a conversation. Maintaining conversation is very crucial for getting desired result. You have to follow these precautions like listen to others person. Everyone want to feel important and be heard. So if you want people to talk with you, you have to give them your full attention. Make sure you always listen when someone is talking. Try to follow the rule listen first and talk second after starting the conversation. Once you open things up, let other people share their inputs completely so that you are listening by maintaining eye contact and nodding on occasions. You can also say things like to convey your interest. Ask question. Questions are greatest tool to keep your conversation alive. As soon as you feel there is decline in conversation, ask some creative question to make conversation alive and interactive. Share information about yourself. People will not talk with you if simply you bombard them with questions. People are uncomfortable talking to people who ask a lot about others but share little about themselves. Make sure you are divulging information about yourself so people will want to talk with you. You should be Always ready to answer any question asked by your partner. If you withhold any information, people will become nervous and will stop talking with you. Change topic when necessary. If someone is getting uncomfortable, nervous, and quiet, or exhausted, or struggling, find a new topic. Like if you are talking about books and exhausted, start talking about movies or current events. Third, avoid common mistake. It is natural to commit mistake, but try to avoid common mistakes like avoid trying to change the topic. If smooth conversation is going on, add your opinion instead of changing your topic. You may be doing this because of nervousness. So other people may finish talking with you. Share equal stories. Never try to show off your story. Like if someone is discussing about weekend vacation to a city a few miles out of town, do not bring your 1 month long trip to Europe. Do not make assumption about other person. Go into conversation operating under assumption everyone is blank slate. Do not assume someone will agree or share your value. People are biased to assume those who engage with similar values and belief. Respect and listen others' opinion to enjoy conversation. Refrain from judgment. Don't be judgmental in your conversation. During any conversation, remind yourself you are trying to learn something from others. You are not there to make judgment. Refrain from analyzing what is being said and instead focus on listening. This will give you less time to judge, making people comfortable sharing with you. Make sure to remain present. If you seem absent minded, people will not talk with you. Keep your mind in conversation and avoid thinking about what you are going to say next or daydreaming something else altogether.